Let me show you quickly how you can change the color of an object. Here I have an icon of location. I will drag this to Photoshop. Yes. Now if you will click to this layer, it will be converted to smart object, and if you enter there, you can see this icon. Now go to selection tool, like any tool you can use to select the object. I chose selection tool. Now it is perfectly selected. Then go to layer, then new layer, then solid color, and make sure that you have checked this box. Then hit OK. Now you can see accordingly it will change the color. You can also copy paste any color you have selected, any color you want to give to the object. So I have okay, like this you can change the color. Let me show you how to overcome one problem in this case. If you will save this one, it will not be saved. It will show something like this. So what you have to do, you have to delete this bottom layer and convert this layer to smart object. Now you can see, if you will go to save, it will be saved and you can finish your work. Thank you.